Hi everybody and welcome back to American Girl Afternoon. Today we are going to be making some winter weather gear for your dolls. Now I know we made scarves last time or the time before. I can't remember exactly what time we did that, but we made scarves. But now we're going to make mittens or gloves for your American Girl doll as well. And you'll see there is a time-lapse video and it shows you, just shows you how I did it. But it's actually pretty easy. So you're gonna get a pattern if you pick up a make and take kit. And if you don't pick up a make and take kit, I believe I'll be linking the pattern on the website. I got it from somewhere else. So of course we give credit to where we get stuff from. So that link will be there. The name is not coming to the top of my head, but I got it from somewhere else. That link will be there. You're gonna get the pattern, you're gonna cut the pattern out. And then all you do is you trace this pattern 4 times onto felt, because you want to have 4 mitten pieces. So you need a front and a back for one mitten and a front and a back for the second mitten. So that's why you need 4 total pieces. So you trace it, you cut each piece out of the felt, so you'll have 4 mitten pieces. And then you'll put 2 of them together so that the thumb's on the same side, and 2 of them together so that the thumb is on the same side. And then, if you remember from a while ago when we did the stockings, the doll stockings back in December, we learned about how to sew. So if you didn't do that, or you don't know how to sew, or you need a refresher or whatever, I'll have that post linked as well, so you can go back and look at the tutorial about how to thread your needle, how to make a knot, how to do a different kind of stitch. So we did a whip stitch on this one. So if you didn't do the whip stitch last time, or you did some of the other stitches, that might be something to go back and look at. So once you've put these together, and then you thread your needle, you tie the knot, and then you start sewing, you're going to want to do a whip stitch on this, because that's going to hold it together the best. So you're going to just do it. You're going to start at the back and go all the way around. Make sure you go into the divot where the thumb and the finger meet, so that it's not straight across. And you're going to do all that, and then after you've done all that, you probably saw in the time-lapse video that I turned it inside out. And the reason I did that is so that all of my seams and everything that I did on the inside, you can't see that on the outside. So you just see, a little bit of it, because it's stitched together and I used red thread, but you don't see as much of the craziness as you do on the inside. Like on the inside here, this is where I started. That's part of the thread that's on the inside. So you don't see any of that. You just see the mitten. So you do that and you get your first one, and then you repeat all those same steps to get your second mitten. And then you go put them on your doll after they're done, and she can be nice and toasty in the wintertime. So we hope you enjoyed this craft. I would love to see how your mittens turned out for your dolls. So please send pictures of your dolls wearing them. You can email them to me, you can put them on social media, or you can put it in the comments on the Children's Department website. We hope you are enjoying these American Girl afternoons. I know I am definitely enjoying these American Girl afternoons, and we can't wait to see you back at the library soon. Have a great day.